Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Norma Acosta with momisdesigns, and in this channel you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs, how to price them, how to sell them, and where to get them at wholesale. Let me get ready and let's get to work. Part 2 of what I believe is going to be four parts. So I already printed everything, and in part 1 we did all of these. We designed all of these things. So I already printed them with sublimation. Here is my mug press right here, and this is the coffee mug that I'm going to be printing. This is ready to go because this is fairly new. If I put it at 400, it kind of burns a little bit, so I put it a little lower. It's still for 300 seconds, so it's 5 minutes. This one is still getting not there yet. We need it at 460 seconds, so this one's still working on it. But for now, let me just set up my camera so you can see everything I do. So I'll see you in a second. The first thing we need to do is clean our coffee mug, make sure there is no fingerprints. Then we're going to go ahead and grab the image and whatever it is that we want to put, and we're going to go ahead and add it to the mug, align it, and then we're going to put a little bit of heat tape. And remember, I'm going to put all the items that I use for these videos, I'm going to put every item, links of it, in the description box. So we just put 2 of them. There it is. And then we're going to need a piece of butcher paper. You put it inside the butcher paper and leave a little piece so you can grab it, just like that. So we're going to go ahead and put it in for a total of 5 minutes. There it is, at medium pressure. While we do that and wait for the heat press to be at the temperature we need it, what we're gonna do on the side that we want to print, we're gonna get the lid roller and we're gonna go ahead and clean it up all the way. Okay, so here's one. And then we get the other one. This side has a design, so I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm only, see all the stuff that I got from there? It's things that we don't see, but they're there. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the other one. And we're going to do the same thing with it. Okay, so there it is. We have them ready. Okay, so this one is beeping that it's done. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. And there it is. It's hot. So I'm going to put it down for now, and then I can show it to you again when it cools down. And we're going to start working on our blankets. So for this one here, the one that has no design, what I decided that I'm only going to put, I'm going to put one of this. So that's what I'm going to do, and that's going to be like right here in the corner. So I want to see like where I want it, like right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in. And I'm going to press it without locking it for about 5 seconds. There we go. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and put our print, line it up, put 2 or 3 pieces of heat tape, one in each side. And we're going to get a piece of butcher paper and we're going to cover it. And we put it in and and this is for 60 seconds. Okay, so we pull it out. Go ahead and grab it. It's super hot. Oh my goodness, look at this. Let me show you. There you go. Look at how beautiful that looks. Wow, I'm happy with it. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this one. And the first thing that we're gonna do is that we're gonna put the big piece. So we're gonna go ahead and choose our corner. Like, where do we want it? And then we're just gonna go ahead and align it. So that's there. So let's go ahead and press a little bit. Like I said, about 5 seconds. There we go. So now we're going to go ahead and put our image where we want it. Just about there. Right there. Again, some heat press tape. All the items on the description box, you will find links of them. If you have any questions that I didn't answer right now, you can go ahead and send me, put it in the comments. Go ahead and ask me. So now we're going to go ahead and cover it, and let's go for 60 seconds. I need to hold it, otherwise the whole table moves and it throws everything all over the place. It's very strong. Okay, so here we go. Again, I mean, I'm very happy with the result. Let me show you here. There you go. Let's see. Let me show you here. Right there. So now we're going to go ahead and organize all the other ones, and we're going to be working piece by piece, and we may need to print more. We don't know yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and give it the 5 seconds right there, and I'm going to start putting the name Damien in different areas, like right here. And I mean, you can just play with them. Right there. Maybe right there. And right here. Maybe right here. So we go ahead and put pieces of tape in each one. Otherwise they move around. And then you can have like a double image, and it doesn't look nice. So I just put one piece of heat tape on each side, right there. You know what? I'm only gonna do 4, 5. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so there we go. Then we go ahead and put our butcher tape on top of it. I'm going to put 2 of them. So we bring it in, and another 60 seconds. Wow. Okay. So this is just a repetition, just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish it up, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so here's the one that only has this this part on it and nothing in the on the rest of it. And this is the one that has the name. See, look at that. Okay, so those are two done. Here's the coffee mug with his face, the baby, and then the same thing as the blankets. So that's already done. Then the next video is going to be part number 3. Make sure you watch it. But for now, you guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.